Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi 10i. So on the front you can see the image of the phone with its name, and at the back specifications like camera, processor, display and battery are mentioned. So let's open the box. First you can see the lid. Inside it we have a SIM ejector tool, documentations like user guide which will give you information about the phone. Next, we have a semi-transparent silicone back cover for phone's protection. So here we have Mi 10i. The phone has a punch hole display and side mounted fingerprint sensor. Very premium looking phone, comes with rounded camera module. You can also see Mi branding and 5G mentioned below. Next, we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transfer the data. And a 2-pin wall charger with 33 watts of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Mi 10i box. Thank you so much for watching this video.